I know it is not grocery shopping day. It is not grocery planning day here for us, but I'm running in here real quick and I wanted to break down something for you super duper quick when it comes to grocery shopping. And this was something I found very valuable and wanted to share with you, and our family will be doing it as well. So y'all, you know that I am on a really strict and tight budget this month. $200 for groceries for the entire month, $50 per week. And the reason for that is we are working on kind of dwindling down our prepper pantry, all of our deep freezers. Our house was kind of overfilled with food, which is never a negative or bad thing. However, you need to use it, not lose it, right? So with that being said, we've been saving a ton of money from our grocery budget and moving it over to our 12 months ahead, fully funded 1-year emergency binder. We are almost done with month number 1, believe it or not, and getting ready to pull and reset for month 2 and repeat until we get to 12 months. With that being said, I was on YouTube kind of just scrolling through videos. I was looking at budget-friendly and extreme type budget meals. Reason for this being is I have got a lot of canned goods still in stock. I've got a lot of things in my freezer still in stock, and I'm kind of running out of some ideas on what to make with these items. But I don't want to run to the store and buy new things because I want to use up what I have. So while I'm on YouTube yesterday, I was scrolling through and saw one of Jamerrill Stewart's videos that said how she fed her family of 11 for just $100 and or less, y'all. Watch the video. Watch how much she actually spent. And these are dinner meals. These are not breakfasts and or lunch meals. We'll get to that just in a minute. So she said if you clicked in the description box, in that video, she said if you clicked in the description box down below, you can go ahead and get this printed out for free. So you get like a trial packet that you can use this. And this is what she fed her family of 11 on for a week for dinners. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh. Okay, because first of all, there's only 4 in our house. That would be almost 3 weeks worth of meals for us for $100. Are you kidding? Oh yeah, I'm jumping on this one. So I clicked on the link and it took me over to a page of hers that made me put my email address in, and then I submitted that, and then it sent me it said it was going to send me 2 emails. The first email came in immediately, asked me to verify. So I went over to my email address. I went into the email, I verified it, and then immediately it sent me the second email, which is this printable. Now, I'm not going to go through it because I want you guys to go to her video, go down in her description box, and click on it, and boom, you can get it yourself and print it out. But it has the entire grocery list. She has some pages in here that she talks you through. It has all of the recipes in here as well. And in the very back, it gives you a little bonus because she's going to give you a little bonus on this. If you can spend an extra $40, she's going to give you some breakfast and lunch ideas as well. She throws that in towards the back of this printable, and it gives you an extra grocery list to break down that $40. Plus, it gives you the extra recipes, meal deal ideas. So I just wanted to come on here and show this to you because, you know, there's so many people out on the internet right now doing extreme budget meals, doing more budget-friendly type meals as well. And y'all, with what's going on with inflation right now and the unforeseen difficulties of everything going on, and knowing that the government has already said they are going to increase inflation yet again, we got to all do our best to kind of get together more budget-friendly type meals, more easy, simple meals. Y'all don't want to be stuck in your kitchen washing dishes all night, and you don't want a big mess in your kitchen. So these are some really, really good meals, and I hope that you go ahead and click on her video in the description box down below and go watch her channel. I will also link another channel down in the description box below as well that I really, really like, and that is Frugal Fit Mom. She does a lot of budget-friendly meals, and I just watched her video from this morning. If you're a college kiddo that has just finally graduated, or you're getting out and starting your own apartment, or if maybe you just flew the coop and you're just leaving mom's house and you want to go to your first apartment, your first house, whatever, and you're walking in your kitchen and hello, it's bare. She put out a really good video today of how to start your pantry from beginnings of just barely even walking into your kitchen, noticing, hey, my fridge, freezer, and pantry are empty. I'm not at mom's house no more. Who has everything? She walked you through that and starts showing you how to buy things as well in the budget. So I'm going to link her video there down below as well. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, and or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and we will get back to you in another day. Till then, remember to stay safe. Without Limits, Budgets is out.